For the past 10 years, I have been carrying a vision to create a living Indigenous encyclopedia, a project that will document and share the voices of Indigenous people from Alaska to Greenland, across Canada, the United States, Central America, and South America. This is not a collection of facts. This is our history, our culture, our stories told by us, not through the lens of European colonialism or Eurocentric misinformation that has too long misrepresented our peoples. For those who refuse to let outsiders tell our story and erase our history, this is your invitation. Help build a living record of our people, our culture, our histories, spoken in our voices, by us, for the world to finally hear. I have already begun this work, laying the foundation for what will be a vast and ongoing project. And I will invite every Indigenous community to join. We speak of who we are, our history, our foods, our music, our regalia, our dwellings, and the events that shaped our lives. We will do this with care and respect, protecting what is sacred while sharing the knowledge that can awaken the world to our reality. This is a call for a revolution of truth. We are no longer standing by while others write our story. Together, we will ensure that when anyone seeks to know about Indigenous people, they will find our voices, our words, and our history accurate, alive, and unmistakably ours. As part of this project, each tribe will have its own chapter in the encyclopedia, filled with videos, photos, detailed accounts of who they are, where they come from, and the traditions they continue to uphold. We are asking tribes to also share the full truth of their histories, the displacement, the genocides, the boarding schools, and the events that led to their cultural situation, whether on reservations, in urban areas, or in some cases to near extinction. I am reaching out to every tribe we can contact, inviting them to share their histories and ways of life, so that this knowledge can grow like a web, connecting communities across continents of North and South America. This is a call to those who live their culture every day, who were raised within their tribes, who know their history and continue to practice and honor it, as well as those who carry enough memory to reclaim, revive, and restore what colonization tried to erase. Being Indigenous is not seasonal. It is a year-round way of life. While this project celebrates inclusion and the diversity of all Indigenous voices, we are specifically seeking those who actively embody their heritage, not those who only claim it through distant ancestry or curiosity. This is about real people living their traditions and sharing their truth with the world. This encyclopedia focuses on Indigenous people here in the Americas and their way of life and knowledge as they existed before colonization. It does not include belief or practice from Christianity, Islam, or Judaism, or non-Indigenous religions, or other non-Indigenous religions that were brought in through colonial contact. This choice is intentional. The goal is to present Indigenous cultures as they understood themselves, through their own spiritual beliefs, histories, and way of thinking, without outside religious influence shaping the story. If you would like to participate in the Living Indigenous Encyclopedia Project, please visit apachemuseum.org and use the contact form to reach me. Once I hear from you, I will provide the outline of the encyclopedia chapters and instructions on how to contribute your tribe's history, photos, videos, and other details. This is an opportunity to be a part of a project that will document and share Indigenous voices on a scale never done before. I encourage those who receive this to spread the word to other tribes and communities who are actively living their heritage. Together, we can build a living record that will educate the world and preserve our stories for generations to come. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and the ring notification bell for my upcoming videos. This has been a Blue Wolf production.